Hi, welcome back to my WordPress tutorials. Today we're going to walk through how to install and personalize a theme. This is probably going to be split into two videos to keep them at a manageable length. So this first video is going to be based on installation of a theme. As you can see, I'm here in my dashboard and we've already covered how to customize your dashboard. So instead of the default settings that we had in our very first video, we've now got 3 columns laid out with things that we've chosen or I've chosen that I want to see when I log into my dashboard each time. As my site grows and evolves, I'll add and take away things and move things around, but for now this is enough for me to have a really good overview of what's what and where on my site. So the first thing I want to mention is that when I'm working with making changes to the appearance of my site, I work in 2 windows. So you can see here I've got my dashboard, and in this tab next to it I've got the another window with the actual site, how it looks. So right now it literally just says demo site, and it's got just another WordPress site, which is standard, and that's what everything has. Also has a first dummy post that says hello world, welcome to WordPress. If we hadn't already deleted the comment, there'd be a comment from Mr. WordPress too, and this is all standard how everybody's WordPress installations look when they first set them up. So the reason that I've got this open is so that whenever I make changes, I can just click to this tab quickly and refresh and see what impact those changes have made without having to keep on logging in and out of the dashboard all the time. So to install a theme, hopefully you've already got a theme that you want to be working with. I'm going to assume for this installation that you have already chosen a theme. If it's something you need help with, then it's something that I love doing, so please feel free to give me a shout. If we look under our dashboard headings, under Appearance, and slip across to Themes, we come up on our Manage Themes page. So this top section of this page shows us the current theme that's in force. So this theme is called 2011. It's a standard WordPress theme, and again, if I click back to my demo site, you can see that that's what's in place. So it's whatever content I add, it's going to add it and catalog it, but it's going to display it looking like this. So if I want to change that, it's quite simple. In this tab up here, I've got one that's called Install Themes. If I click that, and I have options ahead of me. So I can upload a theme, which is what we're going to do today, or I can search for themes, which are featured themes, newest themes, recently updated themes. This box below is not going to be used by us today because we're going to upload a theme that we've already got ready to go. But if we didn't know what we wanted and we wanted to search WordPress's deck of themes, we could literally click the options of things that we're looking for. If we were looking for a grey or yellow theme and we wanted 3 columns and we want fixed width, and I'm going to say that we'd like front page posting for our blog, and I'm not going to choose a subject. So if I click Find Themes, this will give us a quick example. No themes match my search. Right, so I selected, if I take the colours out, been a bit too specific there with my searching. So here we go. So these come up with 3 columns, fixed width, front page for posts. So I've got options here. I can click on one of those to make it larger and get a preview of it. So I can click around in here and see what is going to happen. And I can choose this theme if I want to by clicking Install. I'm going to close this for now. And I'm going to go back to click on Upload. So from my Manage Themes tab, I've clicked across to Install Themes. And then I'm clicking on Upload. So install a theme in .zip format. These are compressed folders with all your theme files contained inside them. My folder that my theme is sitting in wasn't compressed, so I had to compress it myself into a zip theme. If you need help with that, then that's a really quick and easy thing to do, and I'm happy to be asked questions about that. So if I click Browse to navigate to where my zip folder is sitting, a window will open for me. And my folder is in my downloads. and that was my theme in its big folder format. This is my theme in its zip format. So I'm going to highlight it and then just click open. And then I'm simply going to click install now. It's going to do all the work for me. Okay, so this is the next page. Installing theme from uploaded file, gleam2.zip. This is an elegant themes theme that I'm using. It tells you unpacking the package, installing the theme, and then that's the part that's most important. Theme installed successfully. So we know that the files are all in the right place. Now we have choices. We can live preview to see what the theme would look like, which will make no changes to our site. So what that means is if we're building a site on our actual domain that we're going to have people coming and visiting to, and people are already familiar with our name, it means that we can test things out behind the scenes without making any changes to our site, so our visitors can still see our site without any changes affected. Because we're building a site that nobody will know about and it's invisible to the public eye right now, I'm going to go ahead and just click activate the theme. So you can see here now my current theme is Gleam theme, and you can see that we've got some notifications. I've mentioned these before in previous videos. These ones are yellow, which means that we don't particularly have to do anything. There's no emergency here, but it's giving us advice and guidance, and actually these things are usually really useful. So this one tells us it's a fresh installation of Gleam theme. Don't forget to go to ePanel, which is a link to set it up. This message will disappear once you've clicked the Save button within the Themes option page. And then new theme activated visit site. So if I click visit site, it's actually going to take me to my site. So I'm going to just simply refresh this page to see my theme is set in place. So brilliant, I can see my theme is set in place. This looks terribly frightening to somebody who has seen the demo version of this theme, all singing and all dancing with beautiful photos and everything in the right place. When you first install your theme, and if you've got no content on your website, it can look really empty. This is a perfect example. If I hover over this, I've got my links to my content that's in place so far. So this is brilliant because what we've got is a blank canvas, and from here we can go in and be customizing. I'm going to stop this video now so that we've got just enough information to avoid overwhelm. Hopefully you've been able to follow the steps to install your theme, and you can go and make yourself a hot drink, get comfortable, and get ready to get personalizing.